Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sahitya. I do beauty content videos. So I have got a new video for you. In today's video, I am going to share with you the essential eye makeup brushes that you need to have as a beginner. The part one of this brush series, that is face makeup brushes. I have already done that video earlier. So please go and check that out first to understand what are the essential face makeup brushes that you are going to need as a beginner. And so once you watch that video, then you're going to understand this video easily without any confusion. That's why I wanted to make this in two different parts, as I want to separate the eye makeup brushes and face makeup brushes. So do not waste your time and watch the video till the end to understand what are the essential eye makeup brushes you need to have as a beginner. Let's get started into the video. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel so that you get notifications on every video that I upload. So without missing my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and let's start this video. So the first eyeshadow brush we are talking about is Real Technique Base Shadow Brush in the number 301. This is how the brush is. Okay, this is used to apply eyeshadow into the crease or applying shadow all over the lid. This brush is very helpful for that. And I say why it's great for using a base shadow is it's soft, fluffy, and versatile, great for blending and soft color application. So this is the first essential brush which is required that you need to have in your beginner's makeup kit. So the second most important brush that you need to have in your eye brushes is a shading brush. It's from Real Techniques in the number 307. So this is how the brush looks. I hope you can see the brush properly. It's small and firm. Basically what this brush does is it allows to pack your pigment onto your eyelids. So for intense colors, example the eyeshadow that I'm wearing today, it allows the pigment to be on place all over your lid. So as it is small and firm, it give that intense color application. So I feel this is a very important brush that you need to have in your eye brushes as a beginner. So the third most important brush that you need to have is a smudging brush. This is from Real Techniques in the number 332. So this is how the brush looks. This helps you smudge the eyeshadow into the lash line, or you can smudge the eyeliner or kajal with this, or you can apply the eyeshadow on your lower lash line as well, or you can apply the highlighter over your eyebrow bone. So it is useful in many ways, and as it's short and dense, it has dense bristles. This helps you to give that precise smudging application, and it's perfect for all those smoky eye looks that you're looking for. So this is an essential brush that everyone needs to have along with the other eyeshadow brushes. So the fourth brush that you need to have in your eye brushes is a liner brush. So this is a fine liner brush. I hope you can see. It is easy to apply perfect liner with this. So again, there's not much to say about this. It's just a simple liner brush. So you can use it to apply any color liners with this. Yeah. So last but not least, the most important brush that you need to have in your eye brushes is a brow definer angled brow brush with a spoolie. This is the angle brush side, and this is the spoolie side. I hope you can see this. Okay, so you can have it like separately, or this is more travel friendly. So what it does is it is used for the liner, or else you can use it for filling your brow products. So why it's great is, so it has firm and angled for precision. This has firm and angled tip for precision application of brow products or gels or any pomades. So this is best for that, and this is just to brush away all your eyebrows. So both are very much important. If you have both in one, it's going to be more travel friendly for you. So this is an important brush again you need to have in your beginners makeup eye brushes. So now we have discussed what are the essential eye brushes. So I just have two more brushes, this we can say extra. If you want to have, you can keep it, which are going to be useful for you. First is this brush. Okay, you can see the shape of this brush. This is from Real Techniques RT 300 brush. This is a brush which you can use to blend your concealer over your eyelid or beneath under your lash line as well. This is help for that. If you can have this in your eye brushes, is going to be helpful at any point of your time. This is the first brush, and the second brush, it depends on you whether you want it or not. This is Real Techniques 312 brush. This is a lash separator brush. I hope you can see this is a lash separator brush. Sometimes when we apply the mascara, your lash tends to stick with each other, right? This brush helps you to separate those lashes and give that look for you. So this both, you just, if you want it, you can have it. It is not that much important. So yeah. So these are all the eye makeup brushes that you need to have as a beginner, and that's all. You don't need to have so many brushes. These are the basic brushes where you can create different eye makeup looks. So Real Techniques brushes are very much affordable, and they're available both in UK and in India as well. So I'll link down all these brushes and their numbers in the description box, so that you understand and you can check them out if you wanna purchase them. So there will be a video coming where I'll be using these particularly these eye makeup brushes, and going to create a look eye makeup look for you, so that you have a clarity on how to use these brushes and their purpose. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope this video is going to help you in understanding what are the basic eye brushes that you need to have. And if you have any kind of suggestions on what kind of content you want to see from me, you can always tell me in the comment section. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video, so that I understand that you are liking the content, and I will be motivated more to create a different kind of videos for you. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, see you. Bye bye.